Hey guys, I just started another Teespring video but from last night, and I figured I just would have more to come. I should send you the link in the description box below if you missed the last night's video. Click in the link in the description box below, and yeah. Anyway, I just want to know there's more to come, and on these bird campaigns, and just you've seen me do something with Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. And again, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, let's get started. Guys, I am gonna go to Teespring right now. And I'm already logged in with Gmail. Hope to get these bird campaigns.
I made it.
Hope to get these campaigns active right away, but yeah, just buy these now, and buy the bird campaigns you like now, and just let me know what you like. Buy any of the items in the campaign you like, and well, hopefully you like them. And that I'm selling these on Teespring, and I've already shared a lot on Google Plus last night. Got my huge collection there, but it was the best idea yet. Awesome. Okay, and I'll upload it right away, and yeah. I'll share more of mine. I'll share more of my links on Facebook while I can. But to let you guys know, I'm just gonna share one I just shared off Google Plus to Facebook right now, and I'm there. See you guys in the next video.